Hey guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Shiba Inu, guys. Shiba Inu is about to make a huge move. Guys, once again, the Shiba Inu is exploding the market and very fastly. The move of the Shiba Inu will continue in the market. So guys, I think it's time to buy now Shiba Inu because the price change is again going positive, and every hour, every day, every week, the price start increasing, guys. You can see here, guys, that the price of the Shiba Inu is 0.00009 USD dollar. Other side, if we talk about the changes, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, guys, from the 1st August, the Shiba Inu price changes is positive in the market, and I believe that for a long time, for a long period, the Shiba Inu price will be positive. So just hold to the last of August. Anyways, on the other side, if we talk about the price changes, so absolutely really a massive changes occur by Shiba Inu. Really appreciate this kind of changes of Shiba Inu. Guys, you know what, when I see personally this kind of changes, so personally I'm feeling very good, I'm feeling very happy about Shiba Inu. And guys, it is, I'm 100% clear that it's the last of August, Shiba Inu price will be 0.20 USD dollar. Guys, really you get a profit, not loss. Not loss in annuities. In annuities, I'm satisfied about that, guys. That you get only profit, not loss, if you hold to the last of August. So, guys, hold for a long period. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.